In the farthest corner of the Hawaiian archipelago lies a place full of natural wonders where fire and water share the land in ways both breathtaking and humbling. Here, every corner of this island tells a story. Stories of creation, of power, of ancient culture that has thrived for centuries. From the fiery heart of active volcanoes to the tranquil depths of the Pacific, this is a place where adventure meets serenity at every turn. Whether you are chasing waterfalls, exploring sacred valleys, or simply marveling at one of the most diverse microclimates on Earth, the Big Island invites you to slow down and let its magic find you. Join me on a journey through Hawaii's wildest island, where every moment feels like a new discovery. Let's get lost in the beauty, the adventure, and the spirit of aloha. Welcome to Big Island, Hawaii. Things are going pretty well for us this morning. Our luggage arrived on time. We got a fancy BMW, and now we got a fancy apartment, which we were not thinking it's going to turn out to be this way. The area that you see around me, all of this is basically formed by frozen molten lava forming lava tubes. So a lot of people in the past, Hawaiians, took shelter in those tubes over here. So beautiful.
It's so pretty! Oh my god!
Even if we did not do anything on this island and just drove around in our car, that would still be worth coming here. We are finally on the kayak, and it's just the water is the perfect turquoise color that I've seen only in the Mediterranean before. It's amazing. We are going to snorkel in a few minutes. So we are kayaking our way to Captain Cook Monument. That's the place where James Cook actually landed and was eventually even killed by the Hawaiians. "35 minutes later, we are here at the monument. So we just had an amazing snorkel experience. A lot of different kinds of different fish near James Cook Monument behind me. Definitely recommend it. We also had a pretty interesting episode of let's try to save ourselves again. So Ivanka went over the kayak, and then I had to push myself on top of it, and then we tipped over. And then this really amazing gentleman helped us flip it back and get us on the boat. Another interesting fun fact about Hawaii, we have a lot of microclimates. You can see it's raining over there, perfectly sunny sky over here.
It's a beautiful rainbow. It's so strange, it's so sunny over here and hot, and it's still raining at the same time and totally grey on the other side. We are on our way to Waipio Valley Lookout, and we'll see you there.
So right behind me is Waipio Valley Lookout. Now we are on our way to Pololu Valley Lookout. That's also another scenic spot. We are hoping to do a short trail. So we just arrived at the popular Pololu Trail. It's about 3 p.m. right now. It's 25 minutes hike down to the beach. Apparently the trail is super rough, so we have to be very careful. Here we go.
Welcome to Pololu Valley. There's a very beautiful stream just flowing there into the ocean. So we are driving right into Mauna Kea, which is the largest, the tallest mountain in the world when measured from its seabed floor. It's taller than Mount Everest. Woo. This was Hapuna Beach at the Kohala coast in the northwestern part of the island. Sun is just about to set, and tonight we are going to do something incredible. It's night snorkeling with giant manta rays. So the night snorkeling with the manta rays has probably been one of the best experiences we have ever had. I would think it would rank in the top 2-3 most craziest things we have ever done. I think the scuba diving experience was definitely the top, and then this comes, it's a very close second. They give you this noodle floatable device and you jump into the sea onto this platform where you hold on to, and then the manta rays are just, there's like, we saw at least a dozen manta rays swim close by us, and they were so close that it even grazed my arm at one point of time.
And it's literally a surfboard where you keep hanging on to. After a while it becomes pretty difficult because of the current. But it was so amazing. They came so close by. They also touched my hand and I was holding the GoPro. Their mouths were huge.
This platform has this light which shines and the mantas get attracted towards it. So they keep coming towards you. And we have never done something like this in the past. This is a definite must-do experience in the Big Island. If you come here and do not do this, you really miss out.
Definitely.
So, go for it.
Do it.
Alright, we just arrived at Kahalu Bay. Apparently the snorkeling here is legendary. So let's check it out. The snorkeling experience was A-class. But this weird fish bit me on my toe. I've never seen that before. I think it was a parrotfish. So it wasn't a parrotfish that bit me. Apparently it's called Picasso triggerfish. This idiot. Alright, it's a new beautiful sunny day here in Hawaii, and today we are headed towards a National Historical Park. So we are at Pu'uhonua National Historical Park. As you can see behind me, this place used to be a place for refuge for soldiers who were defeated in battle, or if you broke one of the kapu, which is one of the sacred laws in the Hawaiian society in the olden times. You literally had to walk past mountains and jump past lava rocks and stuff, and then swim past all of this ocean to reach this place. And if you would reach here faster than your pursuers would catch you, then all of your crimes would be forgiven, and then you will be safe and will be given a second chance for life. Incredible. We are literally walking on frozen lava rocks, which you can see all over behind me. At one point, the bones of all the Hawaiian chiefs was preserved and stored in this place right behind me, protected by the symbols of gods. Let's check out Two Steps Beach.
So this was the best snorkel experience so far on this island. There were so many fish, it was beautiful.
And we did not spend too long of a time because I saw a lot of giant triggerfish, and after yesterday's toe biting experience, I'm not going to give them another chance. But definitely come to Two Steps Beach. I think it's the best snorkeling you will find here on the Big Island.
Hello everyone, it is a beautiful morning and today we will visit the eastern side of the island. We will go to Black Sand Beach and Volcanic National Park.
And right now we are at one of the most southern points of the whole United States. It's the southern tip of the big island of Hawaii.
Welcome to Black Sand Beach!
We found a turtle.
Wow, look how black the sand is!
Alright, we have made it to Volcanoes National Park and we have started our hike. We are literally walking at the edge of the crater right now. You can see behind me, that's the volcanic crater. For those of you wondering, we are on the Kilauea Iki Trail that goes all around the rim of the volcano, and then we will end up in the Thurnston lava tube, which are essentially solidified lava plumbing almost. You go through this solidified lava, which is incredible. This whole hike is extremely beautiful. Amazing plants everywhere and a fair share of wildlife. So this is the solidified lava lake in the middle of this huge crater. There are people walking there.
It's almost like we're walking in a rainforest.
This looks like Jurassic Park. Right, this was the beautiful way towards this solidified lava tube, which we are about to enter now. Wow, that's unbelievable. We are literally walking inside lava. This place has a very eerie feel to it. We are literally in the middle of the lava lake. There's a slight drizzle and there's absolutely pin drop silence. You can still feel the heat of the steam coming out from these vents.
And we arrived at the other side.
The volcano hike was incredible. Now we are back to our hotel room in the middle of this nice tropical rainforest. Tomorrow is our last day in Hawaii. We are gonna go see some waterfalls and then we are gonna head back home. So see you tomorrow. So all around us here is the lava field from the volcanoes nearby, and it flows from here all the way into the ocean. Almost gives you the feeling you're driving on the moon. So we have come all this way from flowing lava fields that enter into the ocean to view some pieces of rock where ancient Hawaiians had drawn some petroglyphs thousands of years ago. Let's check them out. So ancient Hawaiian culture, it lacked a written language, and the carvings on these lava rocks are even more symbolical because of that.
So we have come to Hilo. It's on the eastern part of the island, and we have looked around at some farmers markets and have some lunch now. Later today we will go to the waterfalls in this area. We're at the entrance of the trail towards the Akaka waterfalls. It is really beautiful. It's in a tropical rainforest. Look at this pathway. This is so amazing. I seriously think this is the most breathtaking nature I've ever seen. Look at the waterfall. It's massive. It's so beautiful. We came to Rainbow Falls. It's a 5-minute drive of the city of Hilo, and you can park right next to the waterfall. So no hike is necessary.
Hawaii was a blast. If you enjoyed this video, check out other travel content on our channel from around the world, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.